Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Monkey app, complete beginner tutorial. Getting started with the Monkey app is simple and exciting. First, download it from your App Store or Google Play Store, then open the app to begin creating your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign up or log in if you already have an account. You'll be asked to grant some permissions. This helps the app run smoothly. Once inside, take a moment to set up your profile by tapping the bottom right corner. Here, you can add your name, birthday, horoscope, mood, location, and a short bio. You can also explore a subscription for extra features if you want to enhance your experience. When you're ready, jump into video chatting, swipe or tap to connect with people, or start a conversation directly in the chat section. You can discover new friends, search for users, and explore the app's features. The best way to get comfortable is simply to dive in and start using Monkey. Your new connections are just a tap away. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.